this air fighter. It's an air fighter, even though it doesn't even look like one. So it's a different kind. I wanted to make the top look nice, so I added these, and then I added these to make it nicer. And then I added weapons to the front. You can also make them grab. And this is the seat. And also, to make it easier to hold it, I have this at the bottom. You hold this, you can pretend it's flying. I took apart that roof part of a different set, and I turned it into wings. And then you've got these flat. And then I added some stylish to it. So I put these right here to make it look nice.
Wait for your turn, Jaran.
And then I added this and these.
What are those?
This is like the aiming. This is where you aim, where you're gonna grab.
So which one is the front part? This one or that one?
This is the front part.
Okay.
This is like a laser shooter to protect the back.
Oh,
And this is like the ones that's creating the shield.
nice. Well done.